How to change the language on AliExpress website. Are you guys facing issue to change the language on AliExpress? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search the AliExpress website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this flag icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see this option Receipt to and Language. Just simply tap on this menu icon and select the country that you want to change the language to. For example, if you want to change the language to Spanish, click on Spain. After you click on Spain, your language will be changed to Spanish. Now just simply tap on Save. As soon as you click on Save, your website will be refreshed in order to change the language. So as you guys can see, our language has been changed to Spanish. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna change the language. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.